Today we are replacing the motor on an Ecofan Model 800. Now this procedure is valid if the back of your motor looks like this, where we have the wires leading into the motor with a black connector. Now inside the motor kit you will receive an instruction manual, an Allen key, and a brand new motor. The only other piece of equipment we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. And the head of a Phillips screwdriver looks like this. Now the first step is going to be to remove the blade from the Ecofan. So we're going to use our Allen key and insert the Allen key into this tiny hole here on the blade. We turn the set screw counterclockwise to loosen it, and now we can simply slide the blade off the shaft. Next, we have to loosen the screw on the motor bracket which holds the motor in place. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver and loosen the screw. And now simply slide our motor out. Next, we want to disconnect the connector from the motor. Now we don't want to hold the wires here because we could damage the connector. We want to hold the connector at its base and simply wiggle it until it comes loose. Then we take our brand new motor and simply connect it and push the motor back into the motor bracket. And we want to leave the motor sitting about 1/16 of an inch outside of that motor bracket. Then we want to tighten that screw to secure it in place. And the last step will be to replace the blade. Now we want to make sure that the motor shaft is flush with the front of the blade. Turn the screw clockwise to tighten the blade, and now we have completed our motor replacement.